gather aspiring business owners, existing business owners, and mentors. Kasi yung araw na po, hindi lang po para may makilala tayong tao o para grow your business, but also to build relationships. And let's take this opportunity to help one another. Sabi nga nila, if you want to grow your business, hindi pwedeng ikaw lang isa. We always need the help of others, the guidance, the mentors, para po pagkaroon ng iba't perspectives where we can develop and grow our businesses. So, I want to thank the devotion for this November. Nandito rin po ang TTI and I think this before. So, lahat po sila ay katuwang natin para po magbigay ng iba't po tulong. Hindi lang po membership, but also marketing and branding. Also, I think TTI and as before, they can extend financing support services, different options na pwede makatulong sa akin. Kasi marami po different business owners, they don't know how to run their business, and minsan, naging limitation of finance. So, we're here not only to give you membership, but also to help them access and explore these opportunities para magkaroon kayo ng finances to grow your business. So, maraming salamat po. Naniyahan po namin kayo, of course, to join PCCI Quezon City, Mobile Services in Quezon City. We have different activities. Of course, one of this is in partnership with Demodotion, and also other activities such as JML, trade visions, and other activities where we can help you promote trade products. Magandang hapon po, magandang umaga, at mahaba po ang araw at isang-isang po tayo ng tutor. Ito po si Demodotion.
Maraming salamat ka, Kirby Arnel Mateo, ang presidente po ng PCCI. QC, magkago natin ulit. So, thank you so much sa inyo walang sawang support sa lahat ng programa ng Go Negosyo. Mabuhay po kayo lahat sa PCCI QC. Ayan, sino ba ready manalo ng mga prize dito? Iikot po tayo sa likod mo at kung naghihintay natin mga mentees. Magtatanong tayo ng ilang tanong at mananalo kayo ng premyo mula sa ating mga sponsors. So, ang unang premyo ay galing sa Sunlight. Ayan. Sige, tingnan natin. Tanungin ka natin si Ms. Charlotte. Ms. Charlotte, talaga umaga. Tayo po kayo mga member sa ito. May business ko ay si Steve or Aspiring. Aspiring. Ano yung ina-aspire ng negosyo? Mga bahinis. Ayan. Excited ako. May member ka mga turunan ka simulan yung aspire na negosyo. So, ako naman tanong, sino ang founder ng Go Negosyo? Sige, let's start sa letter J. Dalawa naman. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, salita ka ito si Sir.